In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube is not available in this region on Android using the YouTube app. This error usually shows up when YouTube thinks you're in a country where that video, or sometimes the app itself, isn't allowed. It can also happen because of your network settings, your Google account location, or even just a temporary glitch in the app. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical things you can try on your Android device to get YouTube working again. First, start by closing the YouTube app completely. Don't just go back to the home screen. Actually remove it from your recent apps so it's not running in the background. Then, reopen the app and check if the error is still there. Sometimes the app just needs a clean restart to refresh your connection and location data. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try turning Wi-Fi off and using your mobile data. Then open YouTube again. If it starts working on one connection but not the other, the problem could be with your Wi-Fi network's region settings or restrictions from your internet provider. Now, let's look at the YouTube app settings. On your Android device, open Settings, then go to Apps or Application Manager, and find YouTube in the list. Tap on it, then tap Storage. Here, clear the cache first, which removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. After that, you can also clear data. Keep in mind that clearing data will sign you out of the app, so you'll need to log back in. But it often fixes corrupted settings that can trigger region errors. Once you've done that, go back to the YouTube app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts, some may have different country or region settings, which can affect what YouTube shows you. Try switching to another account and see if the issue goes away. Finally, check for updates. Open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and see if there's an update button. If there is, update the app and then restart your phone. An outdated app can sometimes misread region information or fail to connect properly. Follow these steps patiently, testing YouTube after each change. In most cases, one of these fixes will resolve the "not available in this region" message and get your videos playing again.